Understanding all elbows, a dive into English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, all elbows. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, all elbows, might sound a bit odd at first. Literally, it brings up an image of a person made entirely of elbows, which doesn't make much sense. However, like many phrases in English, it's not meant to be taken literally. When someone is described as being all elbows, it usually refers to them being clumsy or awkward, especially in their movements. It can also suggest that someone is moving in a forceful or careless manner, pushing others aside. The exact origin of all elbows is not entirely clear. However, it's believed that the phrase derives from the idea that when someone is clumsy or moving carelessly, they might bump into things or people with their elbows. Elbows, being a protruding part of our body, can easily knock into things, especially in crowded situations. So, the phrase, all elbows, effectively paints a picture of someone moving about with little regard for their surroundings. Now, let's look at how you can use all elbows in everyday conversations. 1. Be careful with that vase. You're all elbows today. 2. I tried dancing for the first time, and I felt like I was all elbows. 3. He rushed through the crowd, all elbows, making his way to the front. From these examples, you can see that the phrase can be used to describe one's own behavior or someone else's. English is full of fascinating phrases, and all elbows is just one of them. It's a vivid way to describe someone's clumsy or forceful movements. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!